Hello guys, in today's video I show you how to make a face turn around like this. So follow me. First thing, you have to draw your character in 3 positions. This is usually called a turnaround. I know, it's a little bit challenging, but give it a try. And if you suck at drawing like me, don't worry, you're not alone. You can use Pinterest to find any character you want to animate. So let's borrow one from Pinterest. I found this Gumball turnaround. Let's begin. First, you have to draw your character while already thinking about animation later. I'll explain this while drawing. So, create a new vector layer. Select the Add Point tool and start creating the shape. One thing I want to say, you can create this your own way at any point I explain. It's not necessary to copy me exactly, okay? Okay. Here, I'm just drawing the face, nothing fancy. Boom, bam, just like that. Yes, it's actually that easy. After drawing the face, you have to create the shape by clicking the Create Shape tool. Select your shape and choose whether you want stroke, fill, or both. In this example, I use both. After that, I enhance it with the transform point tool. Transforms Prime. Boom, bam, done. For more enhancements, use the line wedge tool so you can reduce the stroke at certain points. As you can see, there are no stroke here at Gumball's neck, so I'll delete them using the delete edge tool. Next, I name this layer face. Now I'll move on to the eye. Here I'll just use the draw shape tool. Make a circle for the eye. Adjust it with the transform point tool. Then use the line wedge to enhance it. Boom, bam, done. I name it eyelid. Now move on to the people. There is no difference between people and people. People, same process. But here I choose fill only instead of both, and I'll change the color to black. Now comes a very important step, thinking about how to animate it later. For the eye, you should select all the layers and group them. Then double click the group, go to masking tab and choose hide all. You will get this result. And trust me, this helps a lot for eye movement and blinking with SmartBow. Also, the eyelid layer should be the last layer in the group, so everything in the center gets masked correctly. Next, just duplicate the eye for the left eye. Easy way? Nope, it's not that easy. You have to hold shift while moving it, so you keep the perfect alignment. Adjust the pupil a little bit. Cool. Now I'll change the color of the face. Oh, we're getting really close to a great Gumball drawing. Now I'll move on to the eyebrows. Circle shape, adjust it, create the shape, duplicate it and flip it to the other eye. Done. Nice. We're close. For those shapes under Gumball's eyes, select the Add Point tool, create 3 points, press A to stop creating points. Do this for all of them. Then go to create shape tool, choose stroke and press create shape. Adjust it, enhance it until you like it. Then duplicate and flip it to the other side. Now, you know everything you need. Just follow the same logic for creating the mouth. Shapes, masking, coloring, creating shape. Next, create the ears. Same process. Create one, duplicate it and flip it to the other side. So that's it for drawing. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. That's how to draw Gumball. In the next video, I'll show you how to rotate the face. So please support me so I can post part 2. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Bye bye. Choose a subscriber.